Suitable talaga. Suitable. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel for today's video. As you can see. Ayan, so ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung mga items or mga products na na-accumulate ko throughout the time na hindi ako nag-film. So ito na siya guys. These are all skincare products. So if you want to hear my thoughts about these products, then just keep on watching. And if this is your first time seeing my face, these cheeks, I still have chubby cheeks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to be notified with my upcoming videos. So tara na, let's do it! I know guys, I'm so sorry. Alam ko na inaantay niyo na yung cushion na review for the Skintific guys, but I need to post this first because I have to let go some of the skincare products. And ate, bakit ang dami? Hindi ko rin alam ba't ang dami. Okay, so let me just make kwento sa inyo guys, no? Right now, my face is bare. Wala siyang kahit na ano, and my skin and I had a breakup. Nagsimula siya sa TikTok, guys. Na-addict ko manood ng TikTok videos, lalo na yung sa skincare products, specifically Korean skincare products. So, all of these products are from Korea. Basta, ayun, skincare products ng Korea. And ang dami kong nabili. May mga natry ako dito, may mga hindi pa ako natatry, or natry ko na pero tinigil ko. Kasi my skin made me feel so sad. It broke out.
No.
Tagal ko na siyang hinihil, hindi ko alam. Basta, I don't know kung ano ba yung nangyari or what. And then, siguro, ikwento ko na sa inyo throughout the video. Kasi naman, kapag kinuwento ko siya ng ganito lang, makakahaba na ng video ko. So, let's start with, I don't know where to start. The first product that I bought, na nabudol ako, is the Anua Pore Cleansing Oils. Ang dami ko napanood na videos because this one is very trending talaga. Na you have to double cleanse your face. Ganon. Huwag yung gagayahin lahat ng napapanood ko sa TikTok. And ayun, going back, this is Anua Heartlift Pore Control Cleansing Oil. I think dito ako nag-start magkaroon ng breakout. Siguro I don't know if maybe it's not for me. Kasi this one is actually good for oily and combination type of skin. But my skin is dry. Although okay naman siya nung una. But then, I don't know. It started with this pimple mark na siya. Naaalala ko talaga to. This one is last May. And until now, meron pa siyang mark dito. Hindi pa siya natatanggal. Ganun kasi ako kapag nagkakaroon ng pimple. Sobrang tagal matanggal ng acne marks. Okay naman to guys. Natatanggal niya yung mga dirt sa face mo. Meron siyang amoy, pero super light lang guys. Hindi siya masakit sa ilong. So okay lang yung amoy niya. Itong cleansing oil na to, super lightweight lang din naman siya. This one is the Anua Heartlift Soothing Toner, guys. Partner siya nung Annual Leaf na cleansing oil. And I also think that this one is for combination in oily type of skin. Although ginamit ko din siya, well, wala naman ako masyadong masabi. But yun lang talaga, nagkaroon ako ng breakout, which I don't know kung saang product ko siya nakuha kasi nga ginagamit ko silang lahat. And tinry ko i-try ng paisa-isa kaso nahihirapan ako. Hindi rin naman ako pumunta sa dermatologist para malaman kung bakit ako nagkaroon ng breakout. As you can see, andyan pa yung mga acne marks. And here, I'm not sure if it's because of these products, if I didn't use it properly, or if I got really stressed, or I don't know, hormonal imbalance. Hindi ko talaga alam. So I just tried my best to treat it by Google. Google doctor. Anyway, yung consistency niya naman, hindi rin naman siya sticky. Hindi siya sticky. It's just a regular parang toner. It doesn't have any smell. Tsaka malaki na yung bottle niya. This one is 250 ml. The cleansing oil is 200 ml. Aside from those two, isa rin sa viral products na napapanood ko lagi sa TikTok is from Skin 1004. When they had a sale, I bought some products from their line. I'm gonna move it here. Talagang inayos. Sorry guys, I have to fix it. Okay, I'm gonna start with the most viral product that they have as far as I know. And that is the Madagascar Centella Cleansing Oil. It says that it's good for all skin types. Na pwede to sa dry skin. And si Skin 1004 guys, amoy mantika. Sorry, but yun yung talaga yung naamoy ko. Siguro kasi it's very natural na ingredient. So, I do smell it like, somehow like mantika. Well, sa totoo lang, mas gusto ko yung amoy nito. Although alam ko na medyo artificial yung scent niya. But this one is amoy mantika. Tsaka, yung consistency nito, guys, I think this is much thicker than the Anua cleansing oil, and I'm not sure if ito ba din yung product na nakapagpa-breakout sa akin or hindi. But there's this instance, guys, na ito lang yung ginagamit ko. So, I stopped using the Anwa. But still, nagkakaroon ako ng pimple. So, maybe this one is the cause. Hindi ko rin sure if allergic ba ako sa Centella something or I don't know. Parang hindi naman. Pero yun. So, I stopped using it as well. And then, I do have here 3 Skin 1004 products from their tone brightening line. This one is also made from pure Centella, guys. And as you can see, halos wala pa siyang bawas. Because I got too scared to use it. Sabi ko sa inyo, ginagamit ko yung, diba, yung cleansing oil and then kita pa rin ako ng mga pimples. Ay, parang nagkakaroon pa rin ako ng pimples. So, I was thinking na maybe hindi kami partner. I tried to use it, pero tinigil ko talaga siya. See, it's already open. Tinigil ko siya kasi hindi talaga ako sure. Baka kasi mas lalong mag-breakout yung face ko or I don't know, or maybe I ruined my skin barrier, or I don't really know what happened. This one, guys, hindi ko rin to masyadong ginamit kasi it's in the same line. I'm so scared for my face. But it's also open na, guys. Yung consistency din nito is very lightweight lang din. Same goes with this one. This is naman the serum. This is it's actually an ampule. This is the tone brightening capsule ampule ng Skin 1004. As you can see, guys, meron kang makikita maliliit na beads dyan. It contains of niacinamide at saka yung isang ingredient na hindi ko mabigkas. It's Madecasoside. Hindi ko alam kung paano bigkasin yun, but yun. And yung claims pala nitong mga products na to, itong line na to is, it strengthen the skin's moisture barrier and brighten the skin tone. So, I tried this to brighten yung mga parts na, ayun, may acne marks ako. But then, kapag ginagamit ko siya, may tumutubong bagong pimple. So, I stopped using it. It's just my personal experience, guys. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi nag-work sa akin is hindi na din mag-work sa inyo. Hindi rin naman ibig sabihin nag-work sa akin, mag-work din sa inyo. Kasi iba-iba talaga tayo ng skin. I'm just sharing my experience with you guys with the products that I had, that I bought. Para sa mga, teka lang, nauhaw ako. Next one is the soothing cream. Since this is from Skin 1004 too, hindi ko din siya masyadong ginamit. I'm so sorry, guys. So, wala talaga akong masasabi sa inyo about sa Skin 104, no? Sabi dito, it's a lightweight gel and formulated with Madagascar Sika extract and ceramide complex. It quickly absorbs into the skin to provide instant soothing and strengthen the skin barrier. So, yun talagang claims ng Skin 104. Yung mga nabili ko is to strengthen the skin barrier. But this one, I tried to use it for quite some time. It has a very, lightweight yung consistency niya, guys. But I don't think it's that lightweight. Hindi naman siya sticky, guys. Pero para sa akin, hindi siya ganun ka-lightweight. Yung amoy niya is just a natural scent. But again, I stopped using it. Kasi I'm so scared. Duwag ang ate nyo. Then, I also have here the Pure Full Calming Herb Toner from Numbuzin. This is just a mini size. This one is really intended, guys, for oily and combination type of skin, and I bought this for Isal for nung nagpa-practice kami ng makeup sa face niya. So, binili ko to for her. And then, I also tried to use it, but eto talaga, hindi siya para sa akin kasi it makes my skin really tight kapag ginagamit ko siya. If you have that kind of skin type, guys, I would highly recommend this for you because sobrang ganda ng mga products ng Numbuzin. And this one is very lightweight lang na toners. I do have Mixon products here. Well, dalawa lang pala. We have here the Mixon Glacier, I don't know, hyaluronic acid serum. Yung hyaluronic acid, guys, very good siya for hydration. That's why I bought it. Actually, napanood ko ata to na parang may isang artista na gamit niya tong toner na to. I mean, serum na to kapag gabi. So, ayan. Guys, ang laki nito. Kumbaga, sulit na siya sa presyo niya, yung toner na to. And yung consistency niya, guys, hindi siya liquidy type na consistency. Medyo may pagka-bouncy siya. Alam niyo yun? Medyo may paano ba i-explain? Basta, hindi naman siya masyadong sticky. Hindi to sticky eh. Pero, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit ulit. Sobrang hydrating ito nung mga panahong ginagamit ko siya. And I'm gonna continue to use this kapag medyo naramdaman kong okay na yung skin ko. Kapag medyo bumuti-buti na siya. Kasi parang ngayon medyo nararamdaman ko pa nagkakaroon pa siya ng something dyan. So, saka na, kapag okay na talaga siya, I'm gonna use it. We do have here the Mixon Bean Essence. And this one, guys, I love this product. Well, this is the second bottle na. O, diba? Naka-second bottle ako. Ginagamit ko kasi siya na exfoliator, guys. Instead of using a cleansing oil, I use the Mixon Bean Essence to exfoliate my skin, and I use it like siguro every 3 days or every 2 days. Depende kung kailan ko naalala. Joke lang. Hindi, basta ganun lang. Every 2 or 3 days, hindi ko siya ginagamit araw-araw because I don't want to strip naman yung natural oil ng mukha ko. Guys, I'm gonna insert a photo here or here. I'm not sure what, is it a photo or a clip? Kung ano yung mga nakukuha ko. And to be honest with you, mas marami akong nakukuhang dirt using this one kesa dun sa cleansing oils. However, this one is kind of expensive, guys. It's really expensive to be a exfoliator. So, that's also one of the reasons why I don't use it. Joke lang. Let's go with the pimple patches. Kasi nga, nagkaroon ako ng breakout. Tumingin ako ng mga pimple patches. This one is from Some By Me. This is yung kanilang micropin na pimple patches. Yung micropin is, it has micro needles dun sa mismong patches para it deeply penetrates into your skin. So, meron siyang parang mga maliliit na tusok. And I do love it. Meron akong pimple right here, and then I use this one. Kinabukasan, hindi ko na siya naramdaman. Nawala na siya, parang bula. Ganun. Hindi, promise, na-treat niya yung pimple na yon. You're going to ask me, it works, guys, yung mga micropin patches, or this patch per se, from Some By Me. I also have here yung spot eraser. Same sila, guys. Sige na nga, bubuksan ko para sa inyo. Ito naman is from Nola Hour. This one is different from this one. Although same sila na pimple patches, but this is for, ang tawag dito, aftercare. Parang ganun. Kapag gumaling na yung pimple mo, ilalagay mo to para mabawasan yung pigmentation ng acne marks mo. Ayan. So, this is what it looks like, guys. So, meron din siyang mga micro needles. Instead of having salicylic, di ba, yun usually na nasa pimple patch, this one has vitamin C, glutathione, and niacinamide. So, pang ano talaga siya? Pang lighten siya ng mga dark spots. And it's also kind of expensive for a typical pimple patch. Although it's 12, it's around 300 plus ata, hindi ko maalala. Parang nakaisang day. Meron pa akong isang ganito. Hindi ko pa siya nauubos. Pero this one, I use it with this one, this acne mark. Although hindi naman siya nag-lighten. So, hindi ko pa masasabi sa inyo kung totoo ba ang balita na nakakaano siya. Or maybe I use it too late. Kasi ang tagal na nito eh. May pa siya. Let's go with the other products I have. Sorry. Sige. Total, nito na siya. Hindi ko na mahanap yung box nito. But this one is the 1025 na Docto Round Lab Cleanser. And this cleanser, guys, it's very foamy siya. Hindi siya katulad nung cleanser ko sa Celetec na ang tawag dito, medyo liquidy type. Sobrang hydrating nito sa mukha, tsaka sobrang gaan lang niya sa mukha. So, I highly recommend this for those people na pareha ko na may tawag dito, dry skin or sensitive skin, guys. I use it like for a couple of weeks na, and hindi naman ako nag-breakout pa. Thank God. I do have here a toner. Oh my God, this toner. Hindi pa siya bukas, pero eto siya. This is my extra. This is the Equal Berry Swimming Pool Toner, and I highly super duper recommend this to dry skin people out there, to sensitive people out there. Actually, this is also good for oily combination type of skin, although I cannot attest to that since my skin is dry. Sobrang hydrating nito, guys. Like, super duper hydrating siya. And what I do love about this toner is that it's non-comedogenic. Hindi lang yung mukha ko yung dry, pati labi ko, guys. And I've been looking for lip product na makakapagbigay na mag-hydrate ng labi ko. Kasi sobrang dry nga to the point na minsan nagka-crack siya, na nasusugatan siya. Yung kaninang nakalagay sa lips ko, it's this one. This is the Torriden Solid In Lip Essence. Actually, this is my favorite lip product when it comes to hydrating my lips kasi it does the job, guys. However, this is very sticky. Kapag gagamitin nyo to, make sure na ilalagay nyo siya on the very first step. Kapag mag-makeup kayo, para at least nabababad na yung lips nyo, para at the end of your makeup routine, kapag maglalagay ka na ng lipstick, you can just wipe it off. We have here the Miracle AC Clear Spot Treatment from Some By Me. Maliit lang to, guys, and parang a couple of times ko pa lang to nagamit, and I don't see much difference, maybe because I didn't use it that much. Kapag nilalagay ko siya, dun lang sa part na, tawag dito, meron akong pimple or feeling ko tutubuan ako ng pimple. This one is from Axis Y. This glow set, maliit lang to, parang sample size lang siya, guys. So, this is yung itsura niya. It has this Quinoa One-Step Balance Gel Cleanser. Meron din tayong Daily Purifying Treatment Toner. Then, the other one is their Artichoke Intensive Skin Barrier Ampule. Then, the last item here is their Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum. Sa isang set nito, makakuha ka ng 4 na products. But guys, these are just very maliit. Ang kinabuti naman ng mini set is that you can try it to see if siguro magkakaroon siya ng reaction sa'yo. Parang ganun. Para you don't have to commit sa malaking bottle. I'm gonna continue to use this. Uubusin ko na din to siguro. Tapos, meron tayo dito yung same na nandito sa glow set nila is yung Artichoke Intensive Skin Barrier Ampule. And this one, I like because it doesn't break me out. Ayan, ito yung itsura niya, guys. And I do love this kapag malamig siya kasi ang sarap niya ilagay sa face. And I typically use this during the daytime. Let's say, aalis ako ng bahay. Ito yung ilalagay ko na serum sa face ko. It really hydrates my skin as well. Although it has a thick consistency, hindi naman siya mabigat. Lightweight pa rin siya. Tsaka, like I said, sobrang sarap niya ilagay sa mukha kapag malamig siya. So, usually, tinatapad ko siya sa may aircon para kapag ginamit ko siya, malamig siya. And I do have another Anua product here. This is their niacinamide 10% plus TXA 4% serum. And guys, oh my god, I love this product. Like, it's very, very good. This is what it looks like. This is like a pinkish red na serum, guys. And it's very lightweight. Basta, gustong-gusto ko tong product na to. And I think it made my acne marks even lighter. This one I got from YesStyle, guys. So if you're interested to get this annual niacinamide, 10% na yun, guys. So meron siyang 10% na niacinamide, tapos may TXA pa siya na 4%. You can go to YesStyle website. I'm gonna put the link sa description box, guys. So just use my code MissJM02 to get an additional discount when you're going to purchase sa YesStyle. Then, I do have here another brightening product. This is the Nambusin 5 Plus Vitamin Concentrated Serum. It has several, guys, brightening ingredients. Although familiar ako dun sa ibang ingredients, hindi ko siya kabisado. But I know na this one has glutathione, siya vitamin C. And before I got this Annual, I was using this one. Although I stopped using it because I'm gonna use this first. I tried to use this pala. Hindi ko pa siya natatry gamitin ng sabay. Pwede naman siguro. But I think it would be best if day and night na lang. Huwag yung sabay na sabay kasi baka mabigla yung skin nyo nun. But maybe I can try that. I'm gonna use this once a day or that once a night. This one is very lightweight, liquidy type ng consistency. But this one has a more, medyo mas mabigat yung consistency niya. Tsaka medyo mas sticky to. This is also one of my favorites from Nambusin brand. I haven't tried this products yet, but I do have the viral Toriden Dive-In Serum. It has a hyaluronic acid then. I just got the mini size. So, I'm gonna try this kasi very din to very trending din siya sa TikTok na maganda daw to when it comes to hydration. So, we're gonna try it first. We have here the Tier Milk Skin Toner Light. Sabi nila, this is good for dry skin. So, I bought it. I'm gonna try it maybe some other time. Then, we have here the Matcha Hydrating Foam Cleanser from B-Lab. Hindi ko alam ba't ko binili to. I think I bought this because this is just mura. Kulay green kaya siya. Hindi ko pa alam kasi meron pa akong cleanser. But I think it's green, no? Hindi ko alam. Guys, have you tried this one? This B-Lab Matcha Hydrating Foam Cleanser. Let me know, guys. Comment kayo if na-try nyo na to. Kung maganda ba siya or hindi. We have here another viral, guys. Viral na tawag dito, Relief Cream. This is from Dr. Althea. This is the 345 Relief Cream, and this is expensive. This is 50 ml, and I think I got it for like 1,500 pesos. Ginagamit ko siya as moisturizer, pero parang wala pang 10 beses ko siyang nagagamit, kaya hindi ko pa rin masabi sa inyo kung okay ba siya. But it says here na this is good for all skin type. And it says here that it has 3 blemish care ingredients. The price point, it's kind of expensive. Pero nagsisale naman sila, guys. You can check YesStyle. And again, you can use my code MissJM02 to get additional discount. Speaking of YesStyle, this one, I also love this product. I got this from YesStyle too. This is the Nambusin one. It has Pantothenic B5. Ito yung kanilang Active Soothing Cream. Nasa line siya nito. Ayan, kasi number 1. Yung ingredients niya, guys, it has pantothenic acid, panthenol, niacinamide, tendersome, which I'm not familiar with that. Promise, guys, siguro nakatulong to prevent breakouts. So if you're having breakouts, guys, I highly recommend you use this soothing cream. If you're interested in buying this one, guys, head to YesStyle and use my code MissJM02. Last but definitely not the least, guys, these 2 products. I got this from VT Cosmetics. This is the Riddle Shot. Trending din sa TikTok. It's like a microneedles in a bottle. And if you want me to give further reviews, thoughts about this one, then just let me know. I haven't tried microneedling, so hindi ko talaga alam kung ano magiging reaction ng face ko. Kaya, dalawa yung binili ko. So, I was gonna try sana yung mas milder version, which is the 100. But then, sa tingin ko, kaya ko naman kasi yung 300. Kasi mataas yung pain tolerance ko. Kaya, ayun, binili ko din yung 300. And, I went to this. So, hindi ko na to ginagamit. I mean, hindi ko to ginamit nung simula. Dumiretso ako sa 300, guys. I do love the Riddle Shot. Ito, lagi ko talaga siyang ginagamit. And that's it, guys. That's all the Korean skincare products that I can share with you. And I would like you guys to try. Wait, guys. This is from Axis Y. This is their mini glow set. Then I also have here the Atli. This is their Vitaderm Cica Multi-Balm. So you're gonna get either one of this. You're gonna get the Mini Glow or the Atli. Sobrang dali lang sumali sa giveaway ko, guys. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and my other channel, which is my cosplay channel, my Flesh and Blood, trading card game / cosplay channel. Make sure you subscribe to that. Follow me on my social media accounts. I'm just gonna put everything in the description box. Make sure you follow all my social media accounts and then like this video and comment below which of these products would you like me to give a detailed review. So yun. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to share this video to your friends and family para lumaki din yung family natin. And yun lang, guys. Thank you so much for waiting for my videos. And thank you so much for your continuous love and support. See you again next time. Bye!